Make a great choice today with the 2017 Acura TLX. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, leather trim seats, audio, internet radio, Pandora, airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio, internet radio, AHA, cruise control, trip computer, multifunction display. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.